What's in my backpack? Let's go see. Is it a cow or a buzzing bee? Come on, friends and lend an ear. Let's find out what animal's near.
Hey there, junior detectives! Someone has been sneaking farm animals into my backpack. I need your help to figure out which animal is inside. Listen carefully to the sound and see if you can guess who it is. Are you ready to listen closely? Let's begin. What farm animal makes this sound? It's a cow! You guessed it. Nice work. What farm animal could this be? It's a chicken. Good listening, detectives. Do you know who makes this noise? It's a pig. Way to go. Let's think. What animal on the farm says this? It's a horse. You're getting really good at this. Calling all animal experts. Can you tell me who makes that sound? That fluffy sound belongs to a sheep. You solved every clue. You did it, detectives. We listened carefully and figured out who was hiding in my backpack. Let's review the clues. That was the cow. That was the chicken. You got it, the pig. That was the horse. That was the sheep. Thanks for helping me solve the mystery today. Keep those ears ready. You never know what you'll hear next.